So full-time year at Connors Quay 1, Aberdeen 0, and we're with manager Antonio Corbisiero. Corbs, so much to be positive about, and we're actually disappointed with the 1-0 defeat. It must be really positive and proud of that dressing room tonight.
Absolutely, you know, we're extremely proud of the boys. From the first whistle, we were on the front foot. You know, we hit the post really early on. The boys gave absolutely everything tonight. You know, we're so proud of them. Like we said, we rode our luck a couple of times. They had a couple of really good chances. But that just fills us with a little bit more confidence. You maybe think, oh, it's not their night to go and get 2 or 3, and then we go up the other end and try and nick one. But unfortunately, it didn't happen tonight. But like you say, the boys give everything, and we can't be more proud of them.
That's it. It's not been a particularly fruitful place to come for us for many seasons now, and seen us put on an attacking play with 15 minutes to go, trying to get something out of the game. That must be great feeling to have as a manager.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, like you say, we've come here in the past and we've been battered. You know, and like last time we come here, it could have been a cricket score. But I think it's just shown how, you know, how much the boys have come together. You know, they work hard in training. You know, they give everything in training. Everyone's always there. And again tonight, they've just given us an outstanding performance. And yeah, I'm really happy with it.
What do you take moving forward from this? Obviously, we've got some big games coming up now. We've got another trip up to Deeside next weekend. But moving forward now, there's a tight league, and you can take so much moving forward.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, every game is difficult. You know, Flint have signed really well. You know, like Wildy's obviously left from here, so you know it'll be another challenge for us next week. But you know, we prepared right for this game. We've watched all the footage, we've watched all the instats, we've watched, you know, their set pieces. So we were prepared for what was going to happen. And again, you know, we'll do exactly the same for Flint. We'll treat every game exactly the same, and we'll look to get a result again next week.
Brilliant. Thanks very much for your time, Coach.